What's the meaning of corded? Corded. Corded.
Corded. Corded. The word corded refers to something that is made up of or covered in cords, ropes, or cables. The result of corded materials is a sturdy and durable product that is able to withstand wear and tear. Corded objects are often used in outdoor settings such as tents, backpacks, and hammocks, as well as for industrial purposes such as wiring and cabling. The use of corded materials is also prevalent in fashion and home decor, where it can add texture and visual interest to items such as jewelry, pillows, and curtains.